Hi guys, back again with another video. This is Kumar. In this video we are going to make a DIY portable Bluetooth speaker with power bank. Let's begin the video. Let's begin the video by using PVC sheet. So I am using 100 into 50 mm PVC sheet. Glue it with the super glue for making the speaker enclosure. In this project I am using matte black spray paint, and you can choose according to your own color. I am done with the painting. And I am so sorry guys, this video has been recorded couple months ago. Due to some reasons the video has been postponed and some video clips are missing. Sorry guys for not showing the connections. Please refer to the above circuit diagram. We can use this DIY portable Bluetooth speaker as an emergency power bank, and we can charge up to 2 mobile phones. This takes only 2 hours to get full charge. And 99.2% people were not subscribing the channel and watching the videos. Please subscribe them.